Reading and Learning with teacher Jake. Let's start. Four seasons. There are four seasons. In spring, flowers bloom. In summer, the sun is hot. In autumn, leaves fall. In winter, snow falls. Each season is special. We wear different clothes for each season. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. How many seasons are there? How many seasons are there? A. 3. B. 4. Or C. 5. B. 4. Number 2. What happens in winter? What happens in winter? A. Flowers bloom. B. Leaves fall. Or C. Snow falls. C. Snow falls. Number 3. Which season is hot? Which season is hot? A. Spring. B. Summer. Or C. Winter. B. Summer. Good job. Let us go to the next lesson. Types of weather. The weather can change every day. When it is sunny, we play outside. When it is rainy, we use an umbrella. When it is windy, we fly a kite. When it is snowy, we wear a jacket. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now, let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. What do we use when it is rainy? What do we use when it is rainy? A. A kite. B. An umbrella. Or C. A jacket. B. An umbrella. Number 2. What do we do when it is sunny? What do we do when it is sunny? A. Play outside. B. Stay inside. Or C. Wear a jacket. A. Play outside. Number 3. When do we wear a jacket? When do we wear a jacket? A. Snowy days. B. Windy days. Or C. Sunny days. A. Snowy days. Good job. Let us go to the next lesson. A stormy day. The sky is cloudy and the wind is strong. Soon, lightning flashes and thunder booms. It is a stormy day. After a while, the storm stops. The sun comes out, and I can see the rainbow. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. What is the sky like before the storm? What is the sky like before the storm? A. Sunny. B. Cloudy. Or C. Clear. B. Cloudy. Number 2. What comes with lightning? What comes with lightning? A. Thunder. B. Snow. Or C. Wind. A. Thunder. Number 3. What happens after the storm? What happens after the storm? A. It rains more. B. The sun comes out. Or C. The storm gets bigger. B. The sun comes out. Good job! Let us review our lesson today. 4 seasons. Summer, autumn, winter, spring. How to ask about the season. What season is it? It is summer. Or something happens in a season. In winter, it snows. Types of weather. Sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, stormy, snowy. How to ask about the weather. How is the weather today? It is rainy today. What is the weather like? It is sunny. It's so hot. Weather events. Rainbow, lightning, thunder,